One of the most frequently asked questions on my blog is how do I make my all natural DIY home cleaner. So today I was going to make it, so I thought I'd show you how. So you need a spray bottle. I got this from IKEA. You can also get it from Dollarama. और उसके बाद you need vinegar. I use white vinegar, baking soda, tea tree oil, or you can use any essential oil, and that's also optional, and some lemon juice. I make it so often that I don't really measure it. मैं बस अंदाजे से बनाती हूँ. So सबसे पहले vinegar. So I'm gonna put some baking soda. It's going to sizzle, but that's okay. उसके बाद I'm going to put some lemon juice. And then a few drops of tea tree oil. That's it. See how simple it was to make. It just takes a few minutes and all its ingredients are already sitting in your kitchen. It's a very effective cleaner. I use it in the kitchen, but you can use it literally anywhere in your house. It's all natural, so you're free from any chemical, and in the kitchen I use it everywhere. Literally, it can be used on dishes, on kitchen counters, cabinets, drawers, the fridge, appliances. So I use it pretty much everywhere. So I keep a pair of gloves. I just have some kitchen towel here, and I literally just spray it and then just clean it like this, and you can see it's shining. It's really amazing. You should try it out and let me know how you like it.